Namaste. A very warm welcome to my YouTube channel, Sai Samarth Music. In last episode, we learned on how to sing Rupakatala in 3 different speeds. In today's episode, we will learn on how to sing Trishyajati Triputatala in 3 different speeds. Trishyajati Triputatala has 1 lagu and 2 dhritam. In 1 lagu, it has 3 swaras and in 2 dhritam it has 4 swaras. So, there are 7 swaras in Trishyajati Triputatala. Trishyajati Triputatala goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1 lagu. 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 dhritam. First speed, Trishyajati Triputatala. Sari ga ma ri ga ma pa ga ma pa da ma pa da ni pa da ni sa ni da pa ni da pa ma da pa ga pa ga ri sa.